this is a double shoulder. That's right down the middle of the cow. This is the front, and this is the mid right here. Right here I can get some belt blanks right through here. Knife sheaths or other Leathercraft projects up in here. These are economical kind of hide, and you can yield a lot of different Leathercraft projects off these. I got 2 of these. And this is a saddle skirting side. It's a right side. 13 to 15 ounce in weight. It's a 27 square foot hide. Pretty large hide. Taking a look at the back side of the saddle skirting and figuring out what I'm going to make out of this. I basically ordered this for a set of custom coasters. I'll show you a picture of the coasters here in just a moment. This is the belts that I tooled out of the double shoulders and oiled them, dyed the letters, hand tooled and carved, and worked out pretty good there. And then I had an order for a bunch of custom coasters, and I punched those out. They're 4-inch diameter circles. And here's a look at the belts. Thanks for watching.